Good morning. My name is Al. I'm with LAC.
Hey guys, it's Serena from LAC.
Today we're going to show you how to boil eggs, peel them, cook them, and eat them.
Yummy. All right, so these are all the ingredients that we need. We're going to use 6 eggs. We have some cold water for after they boil. We're going to put them in here. We have some salt. We're going to put a little bit of salt.
Okay guys, now we're going to be putting salt and the eggs in the water. But remember, always have your handle into the inside so you will not knock it over, okay? So I'm going to add the salt. Just a little bit. This is, to help you peel them a little easier. And be careful when you put them in. You do not want to put them in boiling water. You want to do it before the water is hot. And this one's cracked. We won't be able to use this one, but we'll be able to use the other one, because if you use the cracked one, it's going to go all over in the water. And then I'm going to put the top on. And you want it for about, if you have the numbers, you want about 4. You don't want it too hot. And always be careful because you're messing with hot water.
All right guys, so it looks like the eggs are boiling. This is what it looks like. Be careful when you take off the top, because the steam, we've been letting it boil for 15 minutes. All right guys, now that we let the eggs boil, we're going to take them out and we're going to put them in cold water so that they're easy to peel. We're going to let them sit in there for a good couple minutes and we're going to peel them. All right guys, now I washed my hands. Now I'm going to start peeling the eggs. I like to crack it on the side to give it make it easier, and then I'm gonna start peeling. Be careful because the sharp ends could cut you. Get it like that. And then what I like to do is I like to put it back in here and get all of the excess off. And then there you go. You have a boiled egg.
Okay guys, we have our fellow staff Nicole. She's doctoring up her egg to show you how she likes to eat it with a little bit of salt. Enjoy!